Hey guys, Seb here from Wolfio, and in today's video, I'm be breaking down how much YouTube paid us our first week of being monetized on this brand new channel with only 1,000 subscribers. So to break down this entire video, we're going to be covering all of the views we got in that first week, as well as the watch time and the subscribers, and of course breaking down the revenue. But what I'm also going to be doing is actually telling you how much you're actually going to be earning paid by YouTube, because if you didn't know, and what a lot of people don't tell you, is that YouTube takes about a 20% cut, which I'm going to be showing you near the end of this video. So your estimated revenue that it shows you isn't actually what you're going to be paid. So to jump right into it, before we actually get started, if you aren't monetized and you want to know how to get monetized, all you have to do is head over to this monetization tab, and then if you are eligible or if you're not eligible, it'll tell you everything you need to do to actually register or be eligible to join the monetization program. But if you are eligible, you'll have this page right here, and then you're able to click on the button which appears right here to actually register your monetization. Once you've done that, you want to head over to your content and just make sure that monetization is ticked on all your videos. And a quick way to monetize all your videos is click on select all, go to edit, monetization, turn on, and then press update videos, and that's going to update all of your videos. Now to jump into the good part of the video and what you've actually clicked on, how much YouTube is paying us our first week of being monetized. So here at the moment, you can see it's the last 28 days. You can't see this because we've hidden it, but you can see that we're getting some really good stats at the moment. 52,000 views, 1.2 thousand watch hours, and then 244 new subscribers. And one thing to bear in mind, that all of these views that we're getting from are mainly coming from shorts, and we haven't actually posted any long form pieces of content in the past 6 to 8 months. So all of our top content, which is actually being monetized right now, is really old videos. So we are kind of hindering ourselves in the sense of we're actually limiting ourselves on how much we can actually be earning. Because if you didn't know, of course, with YouTube Shorts at the moment, you can't actually make any money from it because all the views you're getting aren't monetized. So let's jump into the actual stats. So if we head over to our first week, which is actually the 11th to the 18th, and we click on the revenue, here we can see on the first day we made $0 or €0 because you don't actually make any money on the first day of being monetized. So let's go ahead and swap that over to the 12th to the 19th, so we can see how much we're actually making on that first day. So right here, if we hover over it, we can see that we're making €7.91. And if we scroll past the rest of the days, you can see it's kind of going up a little bit to €8. This day it goes to €12, then €9.91, $12.71, and then kind of hovers back down to €10 and €10 again. So the average is about maybe 11 to 10 euros, which is really good, which makes our grand total of €79.20. So out of all of that, we can see we've got 16,000 views, 377 watch hours, and then 72 subscribers. We can see our top content right here. But remember, like I said at the start of this video, this €79 that we're seeing isn't actually what we're going to be paid by YouTube. So unfortunately, we haven't gotten a paycheck from this account just yet, but I'm going to show you an old account that I use, which actually generates money. So we can see our starting balance here was £187.91. But then we can see right here that the US tax withholding is taking £33.77. So this is actually a tax, it's about 20% tax of your actual starting balance. So the starting balance is essentially your estimated revenue. So then it comes up with your ending balance of being £154.14. So that's how much you're actually getting paid by YouTube. It's not going to be this estimated revenue because they do take a cut. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want to see the 1 month video on how much we got paid our first month, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and then I'll see you in the next video.